My name is Jillian Foster. I wrote the article Circular Economy Strategies for Adaptive Reuse of Cultural Heritage Buildings to Reduce Environmental Impacts as part of the CLIC project. It contains a tool, which is a framework of 46 circular environmental strategies for adaptive reuses, ARCH. The goal is to improve environmental outcomes at all stages of the building life cycle. In order to do that, it applies a circular product supply chain approach to buildings. It also identifies design, building materials, sourcing, occupancy, and end of life as separate phases of a circular building life cycle and assigns strategies to each of those phases. It is straightforward and easily understood. The target groups are all stakeholders, really, including project teams and building users. It also would work for procurement, for education, and policy. The idea, if you want to use it, is to start by identifying your role. What type of stakeholder are you? Are you, for example, a building user? What stage of the ARCH project is it in? Is it at the design phase or in the operation and use phase? Then you can use the framework to evaluate the current state of environmental circularity and to determine what level is reached and what level is desired. Then, by looking at the 46 strategies, you can decide which strategies you and your role can implement and start using it. In terms of the levels are circularity defined based on an article by Poding et al. And its useful application of materials, expanding lifespan of building and its parts, all the way to smarter building use and manufacture. This figure provides 3 examples of the strategies. One is plan for long-term climate change, which is flexible heating and cooling systems. The second is reusing salvaged materials from other demolitions. The third is provide facilities for easy collection of materials and biomass for compost. So, for example, providing facilities for easy collection of materials and biomass for compost is used in the use and operate phase of an ARCH project. However, it's connected to the design phase as well as the building material sourcing phase as well as the building construction phase, for example. Thank you for your attention.